Remember the days when DVDs ruled the world, before streaming took over? There was a time when a bouncing logo on a TV screen could captivate us for minutes on end. Yes, we're talking about the iconic DVD screensaver, a relic of the early 2000s that Google has cleverly immortalized as a hidden Easter egg. But here's where it gets nostalgic. This isn't just a random throwback. It's a nod to a simpler era of home entertainment, long before endless streaming tiles cluttered our screens. And this is the part most people miss. That bouncing logo wasn't just a quirky design choice. It actually served a practical purpose to prevent screen burn-in on old CRT TVs. Crazy, right? Google's DVD screensaver Easter egg, a trip down memory lane. For those who grew up in the DVD era, the mere mention of a DVD screensaver can evoke a wave of nostalgia. It was a time when Twister became one of the first movies released on DVD in 1997, and when owning a DVD player felt like a luxury. Even The Office poked fun at this phenomenon in Season 5, with the characters obsessively watching the DVD logo bounce around the screen during a meeting. It was a cultural moment, one that Google has now resurrected in its own playful way. How to unlock Google's DVD screensaver Easter egg. Curious to relive this piece of history? Here's how. Simply head to google.com on your desktop. Yes, it only works on desktop devices. Sorry, mobile users. Type DVD screensaver into the search bar and hit enter. What happens next is pure 2000s magic. The Google logo breaks free from its usual spot, bounces around the screen, and even changes colors, just like the DVD logo of yesteryear. It's a small but delightful tribute to an era that feels both distant and fondly remembered. But here's where it gets controversial. While many celebrate this Easter egg as a charming nod to the past, others argue it's a reminder of how far we've come, and not always for the better. Streaming may offer convenience, but it lacks the tangibility and collectability of physical media. Blu-ray and 4K discs have tried to fill this void, but let's be honest, the heyday of DVDs is long gone. Even bonus features, once a staple of home media, are becoming increasingly rare. So is this Easter egg a heartwarming tribute or a bittersweet reminder of what we've lost? What do you think? For those craving even more DVD nostalgia, there's always bouncingdvdlogo.com, a website dedicated solely to recreating that iconic animation. It's simple, it's pointless, and it's absolutely perfect. Final thoughts. A simpler time, forever preserved. Google's DVD screensaver Easter egg is more than just a fun gimmick. It's a time capsule. It reminds us of a time when home entertainment was simpler, when a bouncing logo could entertain us, and when owning a DVD felt like owning a piece of cinematic history. Whether you're a streaming native or a DVD purist, this Easter egg invites us all to pause, reflect, and maybe even appreciate the little things. So, the next time you're on your desktop, give it a try, and let us know in the comments. Does this throwback make you smile, or does it leave you longing for the good old days? The debate is open.